Tripura is one of the few states in India where rail services are lagging far behind the mainstream. Agartala, the capital of this northeastern state, was connected to the rail map of India 61 years after independence in 2008. Since then, railway service has become the main lifeline of north-south connection in Tripura. However, the railway service in Tripura is only meter gauge because broad gauge rail service is yet to come in this part of the country. The allocation to Tripura in rail budget is meager, and so commuters have to face quite a number of problems. Most of the passengers demand increase in allocation for improvement in various amenities like toilet, comfortable seat in coaches and spacious compartments.
ट्रेन तो एकदम बहुत कंजस्टेड है और इस पे जो है ना जो विदाउट टिकट भी कोई चढ़ जाता है और मीन्स टिकट जो है ना कभी कभार काउंटर से मिलता भी है और नहीं भी मिलता है।
बाथरूम की कंडीशन ठीक नहीं है, पहली बात। दूसरा, पानी भी बहुत कम जाता है। अगर पानी भी आता है तो उसकी पाइप टूटे, सारा पानी लीक हो जाता है। बाथरूम बहुत गंदा, बाथरूम जाने की बड़ी समस्या है।
इसमें तो मेन तो एक तो गर्मी के टाइम में बिजली का है, पानी का है, लेटरिन बाथरूम में ना कोई साफ सफाई है, बहुत गंदा रहता है। अंदर लोकल जैसे बेमतलब के जो आते रहते हैं बिक्री करने वाले, उनका कोई वो नहीं है, क्या दे के जाते क्या दे के नहीं जाते।
The commuters demand an immediate commissioning of doubling of rail line project between Agartala and Dharmnagar in North Tripura. More than half of the entire stretch of rail line from Lumding in Assam to Agartala is going to be converted to broad gauge soon. However, this modernization bid is going to do some inconvenience as well to the daily passengers and students. Because of a court ruling, Lumding-Badarpur section gauge conversion project requires a mega block in railway service. This possibility has become a source of nightmare for thousands of daily commuters for whom rail services is a blessing in attending their offices and business affairs. The same applies to many students who attend classes in colleges or in Tripura University from remote villages. All they want now is maintenance of rail service from Agartala to Badarpur in Assam should be unaffected during the modernization process. Budget Desk, DD News, Tripura.